Understood that we have to multiply. Okay, na? Bracket is there means what? We have to multiply. Otherwise, you take 3 inside, and in this 5 you take inside. Okay, na? Now 3 into t, 3t minus 3 3 ja 9 equal to 5 into 2, that is 10t, plus 5 into 1 is 5. Did you understand? Now same. It is in second form where a variable is present on both sides. At this time, we have to see very simple which number is greater, either 10t or 3t. 10t is greater. Therefore, we have to bring this 3 to that side. Therefore, 10t plus 3t will come as minus 3t. Here already minus is there. Plus 5 means it will become minus 5. Okay, na? Very simple. Now both are minus means many students will go for multiplication, minus into minus plus. No, we are not supposed to do like that because here we don't have any multiplication sign. Clear? Therefore both are same sign means we should add 9 plus 5, 14. But sign is minus. Okay? Is equals to 10t minus 3t means it is nothing but 7t. So t is equals to minus 14 divided by 7. Now what happened? 7 ones, 7 twos. Therefore t equal to minus t. Do you understand? So very simple. One more time please. 3 into t minus 3 equal to 5 into 2d plus 1. That means what? We have to take 3 inside. Inside means it is understood that it is a multiplication. Therefore 3 into t, 3t. Minus 3 into 3 is 9 equal to 5 into 2 10t plus 5 into 1 is 5. Now just shuffling. Shuffling means what? Only we have to take variables on one side and numbers on one side. Therefore 10t minus 3t equal to minus 9 already is there, plus 5 if it comes to right side to left side it will become minus 5. So both are of same sign, therefore add 14, but their sign is minus. Here 10t minus 3t is nothing but 7t. Therefore t equal to minus 14 by 7. 7 1 7 2. Therefore t equal to minus 2. Did you understand? Yes. Next problem. 15 into y minus 4 minus 2y 2 into y minus 9 30 plus 5 into y plus 6 equal to 0. Here one term, second term and third term. All three contains only brackets. Brackets means what? It is understood that distributive property. We have studied distributive property. A into B plus C like this. A into B plus A into C. This is distributive property or not? Yes or not? Like that only. Okay? Yes. So now 15 into y, 15y minus 15 4 ja 60. Again minus 2 into y, 2y minus into minus plus 2 9s 18 plus 5 into y, 5y plus 5 6 30 equal to 0. Any doubt please? Yes. Now just rearranging 15y minus 2y, that is 13y. In 13y, 5y, 13y plus 5y is nothing but 18y is equals to minus 60 if it goes that side plus 60 plus 18 will become minus 18 plus 30 will become minus 30. Okay na? So 18y equal to 16 minus 48. 60 minus 48. Therefore 18y equal to 60 minus 48 is nothing but 12. Therefore y equal to 12 divided by 18. So which table it will simplify? Very simple. 6 2s, 6 3s. Therefore y equal to 2 by 3. Did you understand? Please one more time. 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 equals to 0. Now 15 into y is 15y plus into minus minus 15 4 ja 60 minus 2 into y minus 2y minus into minus plus 2 9s 18 plus 5 into y 5y plus 30 equal to 0. Now very simple, 15y plus 5y 20y. In 20y if you subtract 2y you will get 18y equal to minus 60 if you go that side plus 60 plus 18 become minus 18 and plus 30 will become minus 30. Therefore 18y equal to 60 minus 48. Therefore 18y equal to 60 minus 48 is 12. Therefore y equal to 12 by 18 is nothing but 2 by 3. Did you understand? Yes. Go for next problem. Three into 5z minus 5 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 that equal to, yes, 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 70. So little bit bigger problem it is, no problem. Now all are having brackets only, just we have to take the number inside the bracket, that is opening the bracket. 3 into 5 15z minus 3 7s 21 minus 2 into 9 18z minus into minus plus 11 into 2 22. Okay na? Any doubt? Next 4 into 8 32z minus 13 4 ja 52 minus 17. Any doubt? Now 15z minus 18z, it will become minus 3z plus 1 equal to 32z minus, yes, 69. Now very simple, minus 3z you take that side and minus 69 you bring this side. Then what happened? 1 plus 69 equal to 32z plus 3z. Therefore, it will become 70 equal to 35z. Therefore, z equal to 70 divided by 35, 35 ones, 35 twos. Therefore, z is equals to. Okay na? See one more time please. 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 equal to 4 into 8z minus 13 and minus 17. Let's take the numbers inside the bracket. 3 into 5 15z minus 3 into 7 is 21 minus 2 into 9z it is minus 9 18z minus into minus plus 2 into 11 22 equal to 4 8s 32z minus 52 minus 17 as it is. Just by forgetting the variables on one side and numbers on the other side, then we will get 1 plus 69 equal to 32 plus 32z plus 3z, then 70 equal to 35z, therefore z is equals to plus 3. Okay, did you understand? Yes. Go to next problem. So here we are using the distributive property what you learned in the first chapter, rational numbers. Okay, that's what only I told, properties are very important. Next, 0.25 into 4f minus 3 equals to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. Don't be confused because point has come. Decimal multiplication is very simple. Okay na? Now very simple. 25 into 4. Don't take point. 25 into 4, how much it will be? 100. 100, yeah. But after decimal point, how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. 2 digits are there means what? You should cut. Okay na? Next same. Minus 0.25 into 3. That is 25. 3 is 75. Here after decimal 1, therefore point. Did you understand? Yes? Is equals to same. Here also same. 0.05 into 10. Otherwise 5 into 10 is how much? 50 f. Here how much is there here? Yes? 2 is there. Therefore 0.50 f minus 9 5 45. It is nothing but 0.45 because after decimal 2 digits are there. Clear? Now very simple. Here 1f is there. 1 we should not write f. Plus 0.5 if it comes here minus 0.50 f equals to 0.45 plus 0.75. So very simple. In 1f, half f gone means yes, very good. 0.50f equal to 75 minus 45 is yes 30. Now therefore f equal to what happened? 0.30 divided by 0.50 or 3 by 5 is equals to 0.26. Okay na? Therefore f equal to what? 0.6. This is the answer. Right? Any doubt in this? Just see one more time. 0.25 into 4f minus 3 equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 3. Just take 0.25 inside. 100f will become 2 digits will go. Therefore only 1f minus 25 3 is 75. That is 0.75 is equals to here 50 will become. So 0.50f minus 0.45. By rearranging we will get f equal to 0.6. Did you understand? Yes. After this, we will see new equations which are not linear equations, but we are reducing to linear equations. Okay na? So this is the next method. In this what we are doing? We are reducing the given equations into linear equations. How? One problem we'll see, we'll understand. X plus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 is equals to 3 by 8. So the problems will be like this. This we have to reduce to linear equation. Linear equation is what? Ax plus b equal to 0 or equal to c, anyhow. Okay? Now same we will do it. Just cross multiplication. 8 into x, 8x plus 8 into 1, 8 is equals to. Otherwise you can write one more step so that you will understand. 8 into x plus 1 equal to 3 into 2x plus 3. Previous problems, like this previous problems we have done now, very simple. 8 into x, 8x plus 8 equal to 3 2 6x plus 3 3 is 9. Now just rearranging. 8x minus 6x equal to 9 minus 8. Therefore 2x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 2. That much. Okay na? Did you understand? Yes? Yes. So one more problem we'll do. Seven y or 7x plus 4 divided by x plus 2 is equals to minus 4 by 2. See, same only, but only thing is what? Just numbers change. Therefore, we can write it as like this: 3 into 7x plus 4 equal to minus 4 into x plus 2. Now multiply 3 into 7, 21x plus 3 4 ja 12 equal to minus 4x minus 8. So bring this side. 21x plus 4x is equals to minus 8 minus 12. So 21 plus 4 is 25x is equals to minus 20. Therefore x equal to minus 20 divided by 25. So 5 4s, 5 5s. Therefore x is equals to minus 4 by 5. Okay na? See one more time. 7x plus 4 divided by x plus 2 equal to minus 4 by 3. Just cross multiplication. 3 into 7x plus 4 equals to minus 4 into x plus 2. So distributive property, just take 3 inside here and minus 4 inside. So 3 into 7x, that is 21x, plus 3 4 is 12 equal to minus 4x minus 8. Then 21x plus 4x equal to minus 8 and plus 12, if it goes that side, minus 12. Therefore 25x equal to minus 20 and x equal to minus 20 by 25 is nothing but minus 4 by 5. Did you understand? Yes. In that also we will get some of the word problems. Okay. So we'll start exercise. Eight x minus 3 divided by 3x is equals to 2. So very simple problem. 2 means it is nothing but 2 by 1 only. Now just cross multiplying 1 into this much will be this much only. 8x minus 3 equal to 2 3 ja 6x. Now very simple. 8x plus 6x, if it comes here, minus 6x equal to minus 3 if it goes that side, plus 3. Therefore 2x equal to 3. Therefore x equal to 3 by 3. This much only 1 or 2 marks question, that much only. Clear? Next question. 9x 5, 7 minus 6x is equals to 15. Same problem you see. 15 can be done as 15 by 1. Now 1 into 9x, that is 9x equal to 15 into 7 minus 6x. Now 9x is equals to 15 into 7, 105 minus 15 6 ja 90x. Bring that this side. What happens? 9x plus 90x is equals to 105. 99x is equals to 105. Therefore x equal to 105 divided by 99. By which table it will be simplified? 3's. 3 3's. 3 3 ja 3 5 ja. Okay na? Therefore x equal to 35 divided by 33. Next question. Z divided by z plus 15 equal to 4 by 9. So very simple, just cross multiplication. 9 into z is 9z is equals to 4 into z plus 15. Now 9z is equals to 4z plus 4 into 15 is 60. Therefore 9z minus 4z is equals to 60. 5z is equals to 60. Therefore z is equals to 60 divided by 5. 5 ones, 5 ones, 5 twos. Therefore z is equals to how much? 12. Okay, na? Did you understand? Please see one more time. Z divided by z plus 15 equal to 4 by 9. Just cross multiplication. 9 into z is equals to 9z. 4z, 4 into z plus 15. 4 into z is 4z plus 15 into 4 is 60. 9z minus 4z equal to 60. Therefore 5z equal to 60. Z is equals to 12. Did you understand? Yes. One more problem. Three y plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6y equals to minus 2 by 5. So same. First one, 5 into 3y plus 4 equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 6y. Some students will write first they will take this side and this will be on the other side. It is also correct only. Okay? Whichever side you want you can take it. Clear? Now 5 into 3, 15y plus 5 4 20 equal to minus 4. Minus into minus is plus 2 6 12y. Did you understand? Yes, very simple. 15y minus 12y equal to minus 4 minus 20. Okay, na? Now very simple. Yes. 15 minus 12 is 3y. Equal to minus 24, y equal to minus 24 divided by 3, 3 ones, 3 8s. Therefore, y equal to minus 8. Okay, na? So very simple. See one more time. 3y plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6y equals to minus 2 by 5. Just cross multiplication. 5 into 3y plus 4 equal to minus 2 into 6, 2 minus 6y. Take 5 inside. 5 3 is 15y plus 5 4 is 20 is equals to 2 2 4 and 2 6 12y, because minus into plus is minus and minus into minus is plus here. Therefore 15 just rearranging, that is bringing plus 12y to left hand side and sending plus 20 to that side. Therefore what we are getting, 3y equal to minus 24. Therefore y equal to 8 y equal to minus 8. Did you understand? Yes, some more problems are there, we will do in the next class.